Peace and wellness to the family. Listen, this is why they call it preventative medicine. Because you need to start becoming your self-healthcare system right now. Don't wait till you get sick. This is very important because when we're talking about preventing illness, we have to start with holistic habits and treating ourselves with love. One of the things that I wanted to talk about that is vital to the health, because over 70% of the immune system is located in the gut microbiome. Your gut flora is important to keep in control and keep supporting your gut health, because you want to have a healthy immune system. Now, an important thing to remember about gut health is short chain fatty acids. I want y'all to remember short chain fatty acids. Short chain fatty acids play a crucial role in our health. It helps our body produce healthy colon cells within the colon. Got to take care of our colon. Short chain fatty acids also help with your vagus nerve and your brain gut connection. Helps with your serotonin production, which is a neurotransmitter, which is going to get your neuroactivity and cognitive function on point. Short chain fatty acids play an awesome role in just anti-inflammatory protection of cells. Also, the short chain fatty acids just do a lot for our body. The list goes on and on, but I wanted to talk about it because I wanted to talk about how we can get our gut to produce short chain fatty acids, and that's by eating more fiber, soluble fiber. You can do that with your diet by eating live foods with different assorted colors. You want to assort your food and vegetables and fruits with different colors, flavonoids, anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants, and purple cabbage, grapes, also avocado, things like this. I ain't gonna go that way, it might get a little loud. Well, I think I do gotta walk around though. So you wanna eat assorted color live foods to produce fiber within the gut, so your gut can produce the short chain fatty acids. Now, this is not the only thing that goes on in the gut for good health. You got prebiotics, postbiotics, and probiotics. They all are a part of your microbiome being healthy, but you have to eat more fiber in your diet. Fun fact, processed food has absolutely no fiber in it, which is why it is just horrible for your health. Fast food has no fiber in it. You eat one carbo and you wonder why wonder why you're hungry again. It's a reason for that. Reason for that is it has no fiber in it. It's gonna trick your gut into thinking for a little while that it's full, and then when it goes through the digestive system, your gut, your microvilli, you realize it's gonna be, you're like, damn, this is nothing. There's no nutrients in it. There's nothing in here. It's nothing for me to work with. All right, that's why short chain fatty acids help with the lining and the microvilli, or the lining of your gut, to be able to take in nutrients and digest nutrients. Also, short chain fatty acids help prevent leaky gut. Helps prevent things from passing through the large intestines, causing leaky gut. So the more fiber we eat, the more it is crucial to our microbiome health. Our gut flora is very important. Like I said before, over 70% of our immune system is located within the gut. Short chain fatty acids also will help you promote fighter T cells. T cells is one of the cells, a part of your lymph system, a part of your immune system that fight off disease. All right. So I just wanted to give y'all some real good information about gut health, microbiome, and how you can go to my website. I have some really good wellness products, but besides the products, starting off with some fundamental health, which is your dietary law, just getting more assorted and moderation in what you eat. That way you can clean up your gut health, and I'm telling you, you'll see a big difference in your energy levels, your focus, cognitive function, your mood, hormone levels, brain activity, the way you interact with people, personal interactions, personal relationships will change. This is why I start with personal development, because the original alchemy is personal development. However, the dietary law comes in with your spiritual growth and personal development. as I always give reference to the Christ fasting for 40 days and 40 nights before he even went out into his ministry, because he had to get that gut-brain connection to open up his intuition to get the messages and revelations from the super consciousness. This is the way to your mind is through the gut. That's why they're connected. That's why they call the gut the second brain. I'm starting to think it's the first brain, because wherever our gut go, that's where we gonna go. A lot of the times that we getting and we craving this food is because the microbiome and the bad bacteria and the parasites in our gut is what's trying to stay alive and craving that food. It's not us that want that food. Your gut is made up of fungi, bacteria, viruses, and if you have all this inside of your gut, if they want something, more than likely, you're gonna go get it. That's why you say, I got a gut feeling. Follow your gut, because that is ultimately what is gonna control your life. So if you don't take control of it, there's no way you're gonna be able to control your reality, okay? And it also plays a role in your signature energy, which is your frequency. If you eat high vibrational or food that's vibrating at a high vibratory rate, then that means that your frequency is going to be higher. You're going to be able to elevate and manifest what you want in life, because you're eating life. All right. So, like I said, I think about your gut health, get more in tune with yourself, ease your vagus nerve, come into understanding that short chain fatty acids will change your gut health by eating more fiber, soluble fiber. Another good way to get soluble fiber is sea moss. If you're looking for a credible purple sea moss source, I am here. My website is in the description. Purple sea moss, wildcrafted straight from Grenada. All right, that's a great way to get fiber. It's a great way to clean up your gut health, your gut flora very quickly. All right, peace and wellness to the family.